Mukuta sent me a scooter. And this is the 10 Plus, so I think it could be quite a big scooter. Let's unbox it and find out. Ooh, very nice.
Very nice indeed.
So what do we have here? We've got a couple of inner tubes. Looks like we've got power cables, lug nut protection, a couple of boxes that look exactly the same. Oh wow, 1, 2 charging bricks. Well, that'll speed things up. If you want to half the time it takes you to charge, use 2. A mud guard. Oh, very futuristic. Another mud guard. Oh, a really nice little pouch. Let's see what's inside. Oh, wow. That's a really nice setup. I can put that aside, put everything aside, and then start lifting the protective foam out of the way. That's coming up next. Oh. Also inside, a nice little case, travel case. These are so handy. You just put this right on your handlebars, and I'll show you once we get it all opened up. We'll lift up the handlebars. Oh, I like that. Lift the styrofoam out of the back. And inside, a spare tire too. That could be handy, especially if you're doing lots of burnouts, because I think this is going to be quite a powerful machine. This is actually quite astonishing to me. This is the first time I've opened up an electric scooter of this size, and there's nothing to do. You literally just pull it out. It looks like I'm gonna put the actual handlebars up, tighten the screws a bit, take the foam in a couple of spots off, and just brush off some styrofoam, and then we're good to go. Check the tire pressure and just make sure it's charged up. But let's see if I'm right on that. But that's what it looks like. It looks like everything that was in the box was an extra. Extra tire, extra mud guards, extra inner tubes, an extra charging block. I mean, there are 2 ports, so as I said earlier, you could charge it up twice as fast. I don't recommend it. You know, if you've got the time, you're not in a panic, just let one charger do it. It's actually gonna give you a little bit less wear and tear on the battery, give you a little bit of longer battery life. That's my understanding, anywho. Anyway, let's get to the top here and get the handlebars set up. Yeah, and I can tell here that the 4 bolts that are already in here haven't been tightened down yet. So we're gonna tighten those down. The actual display itself moves around quite a bit, so that's gonna make it a lot easier for tightening these up. Let's do that next. That feels right about there, should work for me. I'm just gonna use these super long Allen keys that they provided. And I'll tighten up the bottom ones. Not super tight, I just want to ensure that everything is in the right sort of spot before I tighten things down. Just gonna tighten up the handlebars. Super handy if you've got folding handlebars. If you're trying to fit this into the back of the car, it just takes up so much less room. You might actually be able to fit this in a trunk. And that's something I'm gonna check when I do the full review coming up really soon. Let's turn it on, see what happens. Power on. Oh, and it says card. So it's looking for an NFC card. Whoops. Oh, and the NFC reader is at the top. That unlocked it. I like the display. It's got like a tachometer, a speedometer, all set right now in miles. It hasn't gone anywhere, and the battery is 3/5 full. So that's kind of nice. Let me take a look over across to the right-hand side. We can go up and down on the passenger assist, 1 to 3, and down to 1, 2, 3. Actually, it's really tactile, really easy. Oh, it's got nut hydraulic brakes. That's really nice. Very premium. I love hydraulic brakes, especially on more powerful scooters. On the left-hand side, we've got, looks like a horn, which is very, very loud, and something called DDM. I don't know what that is. I pressed it, nothing happens. So the DDM button, I don't know what that does yet, but I haven't actually read the actual instruction manual yet, so I'll be doing that soon. It's very Transformers feeling to it. It's
My name is Optimus Prime.
lots of metal, very grippy rubber deck. I like that. I love having the hydraulic brakes. I'm really excited about this. I'm actually really looking forward to trying it out and doing a full review. So if you're subscribed to the channel, you won't miss it.